In this video, I'm going to show you how to farm TUSD token on Binance Launchpool. Come to this notification on your Binance mobile app. If you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description. You'll be able to create an account with Binance. Press this information announcement over here and scroll down. You will see this link. Press this link and it's going to bring you over here. Total BNB stake. People have already started staking their BNB. Time on farming started 6 hours 22 minutes 30 seconds. Right here, upcoming. So this is the two pool. So both BNB and TUSD. So right now, if you need to stake your BNB to farm this SUI token right here, you'll be able to find your available balance over here, and you can see the farming period is 2 days, and token you can stake on this pool right here is BNB, and the total reward for people who stake BNB is 32 million worth of SUI token on this pool, and you'll be able to find your daily SUI pool reward over here around there, and there will be this annual yield percentage right here, and you'll be able to stake your BNB one day's farming start, and you have to press the amount of BNB you want to stake, and you use this button over here, stake. And if you want to redeem your token, you stake your BNB, you can just press redeem. So once this token starts, this button over here is going to be function, and if you want to claim your rewards, and you just have to use this button, claim your rewards. The same thing goes to this second pool, and you just have to have this stablecoin on your account. Then just press the amount of stablecoin, amount of assets you want to stake, and press stake. Right here, if you want to redeem your assets you stake, you just have to use this button, redeem, and this is the token for people who stake this stablecoin TUSD on this pool. 8 million worth of SUI token, and farming period is 2 days, and you'll be able to find total TUSD rewards staked over here. Right here, you can also stake your assets right now, then wait for this pool to start, and you will be able to receive your reward. It depends on how much you stake, so that's how much the share of this pool you'll be receiving. This is the full information you need to know, and right here you'll be able to claim your rewards over here, and just try to follow this information. You'll be able to farm this token on Binance. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.